Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors. Come take a test drive today.